I don't know about you guys, but there is one thing that really
happiness.
check this out. Everything that's important to me is on here, and this is how it's taken care of. It just dangles from my computer by a cable. I hate it, it pains me. So I have a solution. This is Meet Joey. Joey is a handy little pouch that sticks on the front of your computer, and what it enables you to do is take your SSD, stick it in there like so, and never have to worry about it disconnecting from your computer ever again. How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I came up with a little solution based on a few ideas I'd seen from other stuff that was out there, and I come up with a brand concept, a little brand called Joey. And the reason I went down the lines of Joey is thinking about baby kangaroos. Baby kangaroos are Joeys and they hang around in their mum's pouch, so it makes perfect sense to call it Joey. Now the idea of this pouch is just a very simple solution that will protect your SSD or your hard drive or anything that's important that you have to carry around with your computer. The reason I come up with this is because I am a creative that's always plugging in SSDs, and it pains me that they dangle around. So I'd seen a couple of products out there already. There's a product out in the States called Fillet Pocket, I think it is. And I'd seen some of the adhesive stuff that sticks to the back of your phone that you can stick your card in. So I made some contacts out in China, and I sourced basically some of these, and I came up with the concepts, and I've got them prefabricated. So this little product here, as you can see, I've got one attached to my iPad Pro. What this is going to allow me to do is take things like my hard drive, plug them into here. I can then stick that there into so. Now, my iPad Pro, that 9 times out of 10 doesn't have enough memory capacity or adapters for me to be able to use it functionally, by combining my Joey pouch with my Logic Crayon that can't stick to an iPad. So if you are a Logic Crayon user and you've been thinking like, oh, where the hell do I stick this to? You have to carry it around in a pocket, or you've attached Velcro to it. Now, with Joey, what we can do, we can stick that in there nice and safely, and I use this little adapter here. So this little adapter here is an absolute beast. It's got USB-C, a USB 3, HDMI, SD slot, and a micro SD slot, and combining all together, my iPad is now super practical, and I don't have to worry about where my SSD is. So yeah, I wanted to keep this video very short. I've set this up. There is now a store you can go and purchase these from. If you use the code RAVERS, you will get 25% off of a Joey pouch. We ship them everywhere in the world, and the link will be down below. We've also got an Instagram account, so give us a follow. We would really appreciate it. So for all the creatives out there that have been more than peed off with how to keep an SSD safe, and I've seen loads of solutions. I've seen Velcro, I've seen double-sided tape, I've seen elastic bands, I've seen the whole lot. No longer do you have to do that. And just for your reference as well, in terms of what comes in a Joey pouch, so when you receive it, you'll get one of these chaps here, and then you'll also get yourself a handy little Velcro strap. Now what that's effectively going to do is 9 times out of 10 with your SSD readers and external hard drives and stuff, the cables get looped around and they start to get untidy. So combining this little chap with one of these, you can tidy up all your cables, keep your external hard drive safe, and it uses the 3M adhesive solution on the back. So what that basically means is whatever surface you stick it on, once you detach it, if there's ever some adhesive left, you just use a little bit of alcohol, give it a wipe over, and you will never know it's ever been on there. So in terms of like resale value for your hardware, this isn't going to affect it. Please do head over to the website and buy yourself one. I'm also going to be giving away 5 of these. All you need to do is, if you've stumbled upon this video, you just need to subscribe to my channel and then add the comment down in the thread that says Joey Cares. And what I will do at the end of the month, so at the end of May, I will go through and I will select a handful of winners. I'm saying 5, I might choose 10, I might choose 15, who knows? But all of you, what I will do is get in contact with you, and then I'll post you out a Joey. And what would be great is once you receive it, if you could just tag us in it and let all the other creatives in the world know that there is now a solution to all your external hard drive worries. And that is it. I'm out.